Dear users, we are pleased to introduce the flagship product of the UTrading ecosystem, the UTrading automated trading platform. The platform provides automated trading bots designed for spot trading in USD/USDT and BTC/USDT pairs across various cryptocurrency exchanges. In this guide, we'll explain how to connect your trading bot to your account on the HTX exchange. The next step after purchasing a performance pack is bot activation. To activate it, go to the dashboard and click Activate next to the bot you've added. A window will appear where you need to choose the exchange for connection. In our case, we are considering the option of connecting to the HTX exchange, so we select it. Then you'll be prompted to choose the trading pair for the bot. Select the pair you want and click Continue. A bot activation window will open. Copy the IP address from the last step. You'll need it later. Now you need to connect your HTX account to the bot. Follow these steps. Log into your account. Log into your account on the official HTX website, www.htx.com. Make sure your HTX account is funded with the minimum amount required for the bot. Deposit funds if necessary. The minimum is shown in your bot. Important: before creating API keys, enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account. Hover over your avatar in the top right corner and select API Management. Click Create API Key. You'll be offered two ways to create keys. The first one is the simplest. Choose the option that suits you and click Confirm. Create a name for your keys, for example, UTrading. Set the permission for the API key in the Permission Settings section. Select Trade, paste the required IP address you copied earlier. Add a trading pair. Click Add in the Trading Pairs section. Select the coin, for example, BTC. Click Add on the right, then Confirm. Next, click Create HMACAPI. A confirmation code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter it and click Confirm. You'll now see a message that your keys were successfully created, access key and secret key. You will need them both for the integration. Copy and save both keys. Note: the secret key is only shown once, so make sure to save it securely. You can always find the API key later in the My API Keys section. Important: never share your keys with anyone. They give full access to your account. Don't store keys in public repositories or on open web pages. If you lose your keys or suspect they've been compromised, delete them immediately and create new ones. Return to the UTrading website and paste the saved keys into the corresponding fields: access key, API key field, secret key field. Then click the Integrate button. Done. Your bot has been successfully activated. You'll see a push notification confirming this. In the dashboard, you'll now see which exchange your trading bot is currently connected to. In this guide, we explained how to connect your bot on the UTrading platform to the HTX exchange. If you still have any questions, you can always contact our support team. Good luck and profitable trading.